this is.
I can't believe it. Have you ever seen it this deep?
Well, yeah, the first year I was out here during Thanksgiving,
Yeah.
it was real bad.
Oh, is that right?
That was 79.
Oh, wow, there's Cosmo. Hey, Cosmo, what do you think of the snow?
I think it's pretty cold. I think he wants to go in.
Is he cold up there?
Yeah, if you notice, balls shrink and they go up into it.
Can you tell me that again?
Balls shrink,
What?
they shrink.
His what?
His balls.
Oh, my God.
And that happens to humans too, doesn't it?
Yeah?
They shrink and they go up into them when it gets real cold.
Last time I checked, it happened to me.
See, they're getting small already, look.
Cosmo! God, what are you doing?
I better put him inside, he's getting cold.
Quite some snow we're having here. This is Christmas Eve, 1982, Denver, Colorado, 2785 South Helena Way, and it looks like we're in for a real blizzard here. We haven't got one already. Let's see. Total deep. See, as I'm walking here, my truck is barely able to make it out of this without four-wheel drive. Don't know what we would do. Unbelievable amount of snow we've had here in Denver, Colorado.
He won't do it.
He won't do it.
No, he says his hair's a mess. Look at mine. Mine's soaking wet.
Merry Christmas!
From Fred Schmid.
Come on, why don't you sing a Christmas carol right now? This is a great time.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
Sure got that. You don't have to dream
Dream
that
came
one.
true.
Huh?
Dream came true.
Look up the street here. Unbelievable amount of snow here in Denver, Colorado. December 24th, Christmas Eve, 1982. Donna, what do you think about the airport being shut down? Does that mean we're not going to get to go to the milder weather like Washington, D.C.?
I don't know, but there's going to be some disappointed people like Mom. She went out today to get her hair done, went grocery shopping. She's ready for us.
Will we make it?
I don't think tonight. What do you think?
Unless we have a solar eclipse or something. Wow, look at this snow. Donna, let's get a shot of you coming through the snow here. Show the folks how deep it is. Walk towards
Well,
me.
I think it... Don't do one of those tricks that we saw in the bloopers the other night.
Oh, no. Oh, boy, you feel that wind?
Yes.
It's really cold out here today, isn't it? Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Well, shall we go?
Oh, God, this is deep. No, this doesn't happen every day. Yeah.
You're right, thank God. I mean, this is why I don't want to live in the Midwest. You know, this is why I do not. I mean, this place like Detroit, Minneapolis holds no appeal for me whatsoever.
Is he still out? Oh, God.
Nice stuff, and we got wooden doors, and we got, you know, the wood trim.
You're gonna have to have a house for him.
Yeah, we're gonna have a big one.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's fun doing a lot of work on it. Gary, I'm gonna cue you.
Tom, just one little thing.
Shut up!
Just one little outtake. Tom, one little outtake. What was it like driving through the blizzard?
Barry, it was weird.
Was it scary?
Oh, kids, it was really scary. Here comes Floyd. My feet have never been on the air. Well, yeah, once they
Man,
blow my diet because I can't get to my food. You gotta have that stuff like clockwork, otherwise you're
What food?
the Cambridge stuff.
Still on that?
No, I just started again because I gained back some from my diet.
Okay, Norvel, yeah, did you...
Barry, come here. Drink. Come drink.
I left right after I talked to you. I mean, we were on the road literally all that time. Well, you know, things got tied up and I couldn't. Barry, you better put that thing away. I'm getting tired of you. He's been filming our whole escapade. He thinks it's an adventure. But I don't feel like it. I really don't. I don't think anybody's there.
You wanted to comb his hair first, anyway.
Smile. Whose is this? No.
There are 2 empty glasses sitting
You
there.
haven't.
This one's mine.
You don't have any food at all?
Here's to Providence. Here's to Providence. I didn't drink all mine.
I drank that one and I picked up Barry's.
I'm gonna have to stay here.
Who's this sitting there on the dining room table?
Maybe Tom's.
No, that's Tom.
Then that's yours.
That's mine.
Donna, what did you think about the adventure?
Off the chamber.
What adventure?
You still
It's a
want
matter of life and death.
you still want to fly tonight?
Barry, you're making this all up.
Do you still want to fly?
We're just having a Christmas party. Actually, there's nothing.
No one is flying today.
No.
Just a little snow
It wouldn't
outside.
work anyway.
I'll call you in a little while. He doesn't have to.
In what?
Right.
In what? Look at this.
I know.
You're gonna walk?
I'll see him. Dave, I'll call you later. Bye.
Let's really have a party now, or we should really have a Christmas Eve party.
What choice do we have? Wasn't there a movie called Four Friends?
Very
Look,
good.
this stuff is turning to mud. Do you like it that way?
A lot more careful.
Oh, yeah, take that.
If I knew I was going to be stuck with somebody, I would have picked it a lot more carefully, believe me.
What do you think about the adventure?
Look at this.
Cinema verite, right? Pretty soon it's going to be Dead Barry verite.
Yes, yes. Barry, let me tell you something. Did you ever see a Sony go up someone's record? You're going to get that all on tape. Oh, my hair is just awful.
So what was that again?
Excuse me.
It's still snowing out there?
Still snowing. Look.
God.
Is everybody warm and dry? Okay, sweater, yeah, lots of sweaters. Want a sweater? I got another sweater.
It's incredible, wasn't it, Donna?
Yeah, I can't believe it. I can't get through.
Oh, come on, Barry. Oil can
Smile.
shoving into the...
Smile.
Oh, no.
Oh, wow.
Let's see what's on.
Christmas tree lights. I don't know the
33.
It says what it is. That's pretty entertaining. I'll give it 4 roses.
last week at this time, eastern Coloradans were wondering if they'd ever dig themselves out from the blizzard of the century. Well, tonight it's a bit easier to look back and see a bit of humor in all of that turmoil. News Center 4 photographer Barry Conrad composed this look at that unforgettable storm.
This is our last newscast of 1982 here at Channel 4, and it has been a very good year because you have been with us.
That's right. We also want you here in 1983, so if you're driving tonight, please be careful and remember, let somebody else do the driving if you've partied a bit too much.
And while you look at the names of some of the people who bring you the news here on 4, Janet and I and everyone at News Center 4 wish you a very happy New Year.
Yes, Happy New Year. Good night.
This is Dave Scott with an invitation for you to join All Night Live tonight following Letterman on Channel 4. It'll happen tonight for lively conversation, news, and information all night long.